want to go, Dave? Yeah.
Emporium.
Emporium.
Shopping!
Sale shopping! Yeah!
Even more reason to go into the shop now than before in Disney. Yeah. You're like, I'm not going in because it's full price. Now it's sale. It's like, I'm going in there now.
Interesting. Search for the red.
There's the red.
Show me the redhead. Give me the redhead.
Nothing.
Look! You should have got your haircut in here. The hairdresser's here.
I get shaved.
Wow. I was wondering if there was a barber shop. There is. Oh, let me do. Do you want to get your beard trimmed? Oh, how cute are these? Oh, look, Dave, look. I can't even like.
Do you want me to hold the camera for it?
I can't. How does Dave look with a mustache? Nah, nah. This place is like full of little cute shops everywhere. Like little cute shops. Look how pretty. So Christmassy. So what we kind of like about Main Street, so there's two arcades that you can walk through to get to the exit. So if you've got a parade that's starting, instead of battling it through on the main street, you could walk down there. But also, if you can walk down there, you can get into the shops as well.
And out as well.
And out. And it's really, really quite clever. Apparently it's the only one in the Disney parks, apparently, that does it.
Really?
Apparently. TP, anyone? TP? No? You don't want TP? Dave's found a new hat.
A bit small for me.
That's amazing.
It's just like, I feel like I'm the rabbit's Jess. Here, rabbit bag ruffle.
That's amazing.
We're going to go into the Enchanted Passage of Aladdin, I think that's what it says.
Yeah.
My friend reminds me of this, which is really bad. Out of here.
Ciao, adios. Later, dude.
Out of here.
Out of here. This just looks like the Tree of Life, but it's not. It's
The Robinson family.
yeah, the Robinsons family's tree hut.
Yeah.
It's a nice little area to sit down. This is actually quite a nice spot to go and eat your food from Hakuna Matata.
Yeah.
Because look at it. It's actually a really nice view. Which way to go?
There's so much to go.
Oh, this is a little bit creepy. Oh, that bit leads over there. Okay. And oh no! Oh my God! How cool is this? No. You see a stalagmite and a stalactite. Don't ask me which one grows from up and which one down. I always keep getting them mixed up. Ah, oh.
I am really confused right now.
I don't know where I am right now. Where am I? I think I'm lost. Okay, so we'll go down this way. Ah, Salty.
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 To the salty.
To Dead Man's Maze. Yeah, felt like it.
Maze and a half.
What's down here? I feel like I'm on Tom Sawyer's Island, but I didn't need to do anything. Ah, boo. That's a really nice view.
sensations of lens. Not sure if you can see through there.
You can see a lantern.
Steady on, tiger.
I'm gonna fall on my butt. No, don't even think about it, Dave. Don't even think about it. No! You're so bad. You're so bad. So nice when the sun's like going down and it's dusk. There's a lot of cool Indiana stuff in here. Look at this. Look at these. How super cute are these? How super cute that is. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. I love that. I'm guessing it's got straps at the back so you can have it as a... But you can't open it because of the tag. I know it's wrong, but I don't have one in my collection. But yeah. Oh, it looks all so sweet and innocent by looking... I'm just going to look at it this way. Alright? I'm not looking at it from... It's not only just the lions, I mean, it's the rabbits as well. They're already like rabbits, they are.
You ready to go on Buzz Lightyear?
We're going to try and investigate more, aren't we?
I know so far you have to hit his chest where the Z is, on his chest, and you get 100,000 points. So if you keep hitting that, you get 999.
Winning.
Go. Right, okay, so with Surge you have to hit the squares and he'll turn to you, and then on his chest there's a circle on his chest. Ready?
Can't get it. Don't know how you can do it.
I don't know what I'm
Nearly getting there.
I don't know what I'm doing. Have I done something, Tubbs? I think this one's a hard one. I thought Disney World was hard, but this takes the cake.
Don't forget to holster those blasters.
Love you. Look at that beautiful Space Mountain, Steffi.
It's very pretty.
So awesome. But we're going to go on a ride that we looked on there. We don't know what's going to happen.
I know, I don't.
So that boat where you see just there, we're going to go in it. That's all I know. This is the entrance. So we're going downstairs to this.
Going deeper.
I'm going deeper. Gotta go.
There's too much panic in this house.
If you can be done, I'm foreboding.
Oh,
This is creepy. Creepy. We're going deeper, Steffi.
deeper and deeper, deeper, even more deeper and bottom.
I have no idea where this goes. We're just following a path.
And now we're left to a turnstile.
Oh yeah. Forward.
What timing is better? Do you reckon it's because he's so far underwater he shrinks?
I think so, like when you're in the wash. Oh! That was weird.
That's horrible.
That is particularly horrible. It's ahead. It was alright, it was nice than just a little walk around, but I thought it was a ride. Why is there 5 minutes on it?
Because there's no one here and you can't put 0. The castle. We've just done a short little periscope and we've just stayed where we are and everyone's gone. Fantastic.
Oh man, my feet are hurting.
My feet are hurting. I think this is a really good little spot, really.
Really good.
I mean, it's great because there's no big fireworks that happen, so you can get really quite close to the castle without not seeing the fireworks. It's absolutely brilliant. Love it. This is Ellie trying to take a selfie right now.
This is me trying to make myself at the same height. It's great. It's just so tight.
I love how people crouch when they take selfies. Take a crouch.
A filmy.
A filmy.
There's a beautiful castle. This is a fire station and the post office and a general store. Oh, someone's building's burning down. Hold on, just a minute. Just put hold music. He basically said, it was like, my house is on fire. He's like, oh, okay, I'll just put you through to the fire chief. Put her on hold for a couple of seconds. Hello, he went, is that the same man? Yep, I'm the fire chief, the postman, and the receptionist.
I said IRC. Now, there's no call to go screaming at me, Mrs. Hurd. I'm not deaf, you know.
I seriously need to stop spending money. It's such a good sale though. Look how cute, they've got little flames in the lanterns. It's pretty much like the same layout, so you've got the Emporium over there.
Yep.
But it's not confectionery here. Confectionery is in the next one. But that is, yeah.
It's pretty much exactly the same though, it's all the way down. You've got all the little turn-offs on the left and the right. It's Tim.
Yeah, Ellie found Tim's to death.
Well, this is the last night that we'll be seeing the castle. And it was fun, wasn't it? It was good fun. There's a castle just behind me there if I move my head.
It's your song, babe.
Dun, 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 dun.
Would you like an apple pie with that? Would you like an apple pie with that?
Ding, fried done, ding, fried done.
Ding,
So we're in McDonald's.
Macaroons at McDonald's?
And they have macaroons at McDonald's in Paris. How weird is this? Who would have thought?
That's crazy.
Macaroons in McDonald's.